In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning blog-style website using Canva, and trust me, it's simpler than you might think. First, let's get started by logging into canva.com. Once you've opened the Canva homepage, you'll need your login credentials handy. Go ahead and enter those to access your account. As you enter, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard crowded with creative possibilities. But today, our focus is on building a website. Eyes up to the top left corner of your screen and click on Create a Design. This action will open a new drop-down menu where you can search and select Website. Now that we've stepped into website design mode, it's time to choose a layout. You can pick a pre-designed blog-style template, which saves time and effort, or start from a clean slate if you're feeling creative. Canva offers a range of beautiful templates, so browse through them to find one that resonates with the vibe and tone of your blog. Once you've made a choice, you're ready to infuse life into your design. Think of your website as a book, with pages and chapters waiting to be written. You can add multiple pages or sections to seamlessly arrange your blog posts. This is especially beneficial if you have different themes or categories you wish to present in a cohesive manner. Next, let's make use of text boxes. These are the Canvas's golden tool for structuring information. You'll want to create text boxes that effectively deliver your message, whether it's for titles, body content, author names, or dates. By varying font styles and sizes, you can create a hierarchy of information that guides your readers and keeps them engaged. But we can't forget about imagery. Adding images not only breaks up text, but also adds visual flair to your content. Choose relevant images that enhance the message of your blog. Additionally, consider adding buttons or links that serve as navigation aids, helping readers to effortlessly move through your content. This adds interactivity and function to your design. Once you've polished your design and are happy with how it looks, it's time to publish. Head over to the top right and click on Publish Website. Now you'll be faced with a couple of options. Either use Canva's free domain, or if you already have a domain you wish to connect, you can do that too. If you're new to website creation, Canva's free domain is a straightforward way to get started. And there you have it. A blog-style website crafted by you, right within Canva. Don't hesitate to explore further and play around with different features to bring out the best of your creative self. Thank you for joining me on this design journey. Happy blogging!